You will all agree that when it comes to practical use case, Google Sheet is the best thing. But when it comes to the design, it's a total chaos for professional use cases. Hey there, I am Ayush from Team Messi Programmer, and in this video, I'm about to show you how you can change your boring looking Google form to a professional looking Google form that obviously will match your brand. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into my screen. Now let me show you what we are going to build today. Here's a regular Google form. I'll submit some random data into it. We have literally zero validations here. I can put literally anything in the email field. I can even write some random text in the phone number field. The funniest part is Google just accepts it. See? Your data collection becomes garbage like this. Now, watch this custom Google form. With custom UI, it looks totally different. Now we have email validation, a proper phone number validation, formatted with country codes, and many more that Google Forms natively cannot offer. Try to submit bad data? Nope, it won't let you. Now I'll submit some proper data in it. And look how defined your data collection looks. Clean emails and properly formatted phone numbers. And not only that, we have also improved your user experience exponentially. Look, building custom forms usually means dealing with backends, databases, server setups, and it's a total lengthy process. But what if I tell you there is a way to get all the benefits from a custom form without any of that headache? By the end of this video, you will be having the easiest solution to this. And the craziest part is, it just takes 10 minutes of your time to set up. Alright, let's dive in. First thing first, we need to create our Google form. Nothing fancy here, just the basic fields we need to collect the data for. To make it simple, I'm just adding a name and a message field. Click on the three dots and then pre-fill form. Now fill the form with the label names and click on get link. Now copy the link and paste it into a notepad. Google just gave you this massive link. Now this is your secret sauce. This contains all the field IDs that we'll be needing to connect our custom form to Google's backend. See this part says view form? We'll have to change this to form response. That tells the Google that we're submitting the data, not just viewing the form. Now these entry codes, these are Google's internal field IDs. Each one corresponds to a field in our form. Write this down because we'll be needing them in next step. Now the fun part begins. We can use any frontend for this, HTML, React, Vue, anything. I'm keeping it simple today, that's why I'm using HTML for this. Now in the form tag, set the action to our modified Google URL, the one ending in form response. And here, where those entry code comes in, each input fields gets a name attribute with the corresponding entry code. Google does not care about how your form looks like. It only cares about how it's receiving the data. Let me submit a response. If we check our Google form, we'll be able to see the response here. But if we submit the form now, we'll be redirected to the Google Forms success page. For that, we need to add an iframe to handle the redirect after submission. It keeps the user on your page instead of bouncing them to Google. But with an iframe, it won't redirect. It just shows your result on your page. Look at the transition you just made. Now the possibilities are endless with no limits. Design it however you like it, and you can use it in everywhere. Okay, so that was pretty much it. I hope this is gonna be a game changer for your brand when it comes to working with Google Forms. Just like we improve the user experience in this video for you, we improve workflows as well by automating them for your business growth. If you're interested in those kind of stuff, please do contact us at contact@messiprogrammer.dev. And if this video is helpful, do comment down below and give us a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.